So today we're talking about the order of operations. We're going to begin with this problem here. Not too difficult. We need to start with the parentheses. We'll bring the rest of this expression right down. We're going to do one step at a time. One step at a time, which sometimes can be the biggest problem, to take your time and do one step at a time. Now we need to go back and look at those steps, parentheses, we're all done with those. Exponents, there's no exponents. Multiply or divide from left to right. I have just one multiplication problem. 4 times 3 is 12. Bring down the rest of my expressions that I have not used. Add them up, subtract from left to right again, from left to right. When you're doing math, reminding you what to do first and last. Sort of operations, a new sensation. Use PEMDAS when looking at equations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply. And we've simplified that expression. It's nice to see this funneling down of our expression to simplify it to 14. Let's try another one. All right, in this case, we have 2 sets of parentheses. This gives us an opportunity to talk about parentheses and grouping symbols. There are several types of grouping symbols, including what you see here as brackets, but you also might see something called braces that might look a little bit like that as well. Let's start in our grouping symbols. We have parentheses inside of another set of grouping symbols, so we're going to simplify both those sets of parentheses, either one, as long as we do both of them before we touch anything else in our expression. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. We're going to bring the rest of our expression down. Notice that the 3 and the 8 still have these brackets, so we do need to bring those brackets down, minus 2. And now we have a very basic problem. 3 plus 8, 11, minus 2 gives us our answer of 9. Again, you see that funneling down of our problem. To simplify it, much easier to say 9 than it is to say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. That's why we're simplifying it. Let's try to do one more problem here. Go up to our last problem. This one's going to involve an exponent. So again, we're going to follow that order. Look to see if we have any parentheses or any grouping symbols in our expression. We do. And within this grouping symbol, within these parentheses, we still have to follow this order. It happens to be that we have an exponent right away. We're going to simplify that. This means 2 times 2 times 2. This does not equal 6. That equals 8. 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 equals 8. All right, so we have 8 plus 8 divided by 4. All this is in still parentheses, so we'll bring those parentheses down and bring the rest of our expression down as well. Now, this is where a lot of people get tricked up because we want to solve it from left to right. But we see that there is division. Division or multiplication comes before our addition. So we have to make sure that we do our 8 divided by 4 to get 2. Bring our addition sign down, our 8 down. It's still in parentheses. 25 minus plus 5. We still have to figure out the parentheses first, get all those done in the parentheses. That's a 10. 25 minus plus 5. Again, a problem might happen here as well because in our acronym it says A, then S, but recognize it says or and or for these two steps, from left to right, from left to right. So I got to make sure that I'm doing that correctly. I'm going to solve this from left to right. 25 minus 10 is 15. 15 plus 5 gives us our final answer of 20.
Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add, subtract, easy as that. Use PEMDAS to get it right. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add, subtract, easy as that. Use PEMDAS to get it right.
And there you go.